Imagine you're driving down the road, and suddenly a large truck is involved in an accident. It's a scary thought, and unfortunately, these incidents do happen. Truck accident law is the body of legal rules and principles that govern what happens after such an event. Essentially, it determines who is responsible and how the injured parties can seek compensation for their losses. Think of it this way. Regular car accidents have their own set of rules, but truck accidents are often more complex due to the sheer size and weight of commercial trucks, the regulations governing the trucking industry, and the potential for severe injuries. The process of a truck accident claim generally involves these steps. Investigation. This is where the details of the accident are gathered. This might involve police reports, witness statements, accident scene photos, and examination of the vehicles involved, including the truck's black box, if it has one. Determining liability. This step focuses on figuring out who was at fault. It could be the truck driver, perhaps due to negligence like speeding or distracted driving, the trucking company for issues like inadequate maintenance or hiring unqualified drivers, the manufacturer of a defective truck part, or even a third party. Filing a claim. Once liability is established, a claim is typically filed with the insurance company of the at-fault party. This claim outlines the damages suffered, such as medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Negotiation. The insurance company will likely investigate the claim and may offer a settlement. This is where you or your attorney would negotiate to reach a fair agreement. Litigation. If necessary, if a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, a lawsuit may be filed in court. This starts the formal legal process, which could eventually lead to a trial. A helpful tip for viewers. If you are ever involved in an accident with a commercial truck, it's crucial to seek legal advice as soon as possible. Truck accident cases can be intricate, involving numerous regulations and potentially multiple responsible parties. An experienced attorney can help protect your rights and navigate this complex legal landscape.